Hi, my name is Jan Raymond. I'm the CEO and founder of the ReWall company, which is an Iowa-based startup that recycles beverage cartons and cups into healthy, high-performance building materials. While food packaging waste is literally flooding our planet, these common milk and juice boxes are considered to be the future of packaging simply because they are the most practical and eco-friendly option. But it's the composite nature of these cartons that's caused the challenges with their recycling. There are some paper mills that can recycle their paper parts into products like tissues, but we've come up with a way that can actually upcycle the entire carton into durable, moisture and mold-resistant products. The traditional drywall OSB are made with known carcinogens. Unlike those products, we don't use any water, glues, or chemicals in our process. Instead, we just take the entire cartons, we shred them, and we use the plastic coating of these cartons as a binder to simply press melt them into products like roof coverboard, floor underlayment, interior wallboard, exterior sheeting, or ceiling tiles, which are all multi-billion dollar markets that desperately starve truly green alternatives. All ReWall products in any of these applications deliver better performance and their unparalleled eco-friendliness at or below the price of the traditional markets. And that's, my friends, what we call the true triple bottom line revolution, where we turn locally collected waste into locally distributed building products. We sell these either directly into the OEM systems or specialty green projects or through our network of green distributors and retailers. About 4 years ago, when I decided to bring this concept from Europe, I teamed up with paper waste supply manufacturing veterans, a sales expert, and an experienced startup lawyer. Thank God for that. And we started perfecting our equipment, securing our inputs, developing our products, and introducing them into our target markets where demand now greatly exceeds our current production capacity. And that is why we are now seeking growth capital and business assistance to support our global expansion. A single production line that can process almost 4,000 tons of waste every year costs only about $500,000 and can generate over $1 million in revenues, which at the projected 40% gross margin offers our investors a very interesting and speedy ROI. The city of Austin is one of our target locations for expansion. So I want to thank you for your attention, for having me here today. I invite you to join the revolution. Thank you.
So how does the cost and performance of your products compare to existing building products and even existing green building products?
Well, there are not that many truly green building products. Even recycled gypsum products are just made from fly ash, really. But no, we outperform traditional products. Simply, we take the properties of the carton, which is a great composite package, and we turn it into a great composite product. It's the plastic that binds those products that actually gives it so many different great properties like moisture and mold resistance. So when gypsum gets wet, it just breaks back into mud. Obviously when plastic holds the board together, water is not going to harm it.
And the cost comparison?
Like I said, we actually, with all these products that are comparable to ours, we sell at or below their price. So we don't charge any green premium.
Do any of your materials require a change in labor, installation, or maintenance?
Yes. When you use our essential board, as we call it, as interior wall board, it's so durable, so unlike drywall, that you can score and snap. This one actually has to be cut with circular saw. But you trade durability and better performance for a little bit of longer installation time.
And how are you handling that kind of training in the local markets that you intend to go into?
We're trying to focus on applications where we don't face these challenges, and we're trying to substitute products that actually are not popular, and those would be like gypsum products in roof systems, walls systems, or floors where they use cement boards that are also friable, pretty unhealthy, and not performing the way they need.
Is this product exterior rated for weather?
No, it's not a finished product, but it will be exterior sheeting. It's a rated structural board.
I'm curious on the interior use when in flooding. We recently had flooding in Austin, and much of the drywall is just wasted, the wallboard. How does your product perform under those conditions?
That's a great question. Usually we'd have to cut drywall and just replace it. With ReWall, if the water doesn't stand there more than 1 day, you can just dry it because it doesn't absorb that much water and it doesn't break apart, so it can just stay in place.
Does it take to paint?
Yes, it finishes the same way as drywall. I mean, that's the paper-faced version that we have. You have several different products. Some of them are not finished with paper. All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Any music?